Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of stretch mark, and these are my ingredients I'm going to be using. I have my orange and my lemon, so I'm going to use my olive oil and my aloe vera gel. If you have the fresh aloe vera, you can also use. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is I will need the orange peel, so I'm going to grate it. So after I finish peeling the orange, you see how it looks like. So I'm gonna do the same with the lemon. So I finished peeling my orange and lemon. So now I'm gonna take my glass plate. You have to use glass plates, you don't use plastic. So I'm gonna transfer it into it. So I will add my aloe vera gel, like a spoon of aloe vera gel. I will add my vitamin E oil. This is the capsule form. If you have the oil, the one in the bottle, you can use, but I'm using the capsule form, so it works the same thing. So I'm gonna just put two capsule of vitamin E oil into it. So the next thing is gonna be my olive oil. So what you need is to cover this with your oil. Then mix it together. So you make sure that your oil is covered. Cover the orange peel and all the ingredients. So now what we'll need now is this oil. You're not going to use it immediately. You have to keep this oil for 2 weeks. You cover it, you put it in a dry, dark place for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you strain it out. So you make the reason why you keep it for 2 weeks for the orange and the lemon peel to soak into the oil very well, so that it will remove the stretch mark. If you use it immediately, it's not going to work. So you keep it for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you strain it off, you apply it wherever place you have stretch mark, and within few days you will start seeing amazing result. So that is how I get rid of my stretch mark. So I decided to share this video with you. If you know that this video is helpful and useful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones and your family. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this ingredient work for you, and also drop a comment below and let me know what you think about this ingredient, which I know is gonna work for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.